From our sizable but friendly Bull Mastiff to adorable 10-pound Pomeranians and aristocratic Afghan hounds, last Saturday the BVI Humane Society showcased a variety of breeds during its 35th annual dog show. 41 dogs, their owners, and more than 100 curious onlookers showed up at Captain Mulligan's Nanny Key to witness the canines strut their stuff, jump through hoops, and parade in well-tailored suits. The animals survived the 81-degree temperature and expert judging on general appearance, movement, and physical traits such as height and weight in an effort to make their owners proud by claiming the coveted Best of Show award. But there was little surprise when renowned Puerto Rican judge Dr. Rene Echevarria awarded Vito, the easygoing Bull Mastiff, the prestigious title. The friendly giant, owned by Martin Kenny, was the epitome of the perfect show dog. His structure, poise, outstanding movement, and quiet confidence set him apart from the field and captured the hearts of the judges very early in the show. He kept his composure while trotting around the course and throughout the judging to also secure victory in the Best Working Dog category. Another judge's favorite, Hansel, a mixed island dog owned by Rosemary John, was runner-up to Vito. The competition was tough, but it was the obstacle course that was the most hilarious. Some pets just did not want to crawl, jump, and especially run through the blue bubble. It was not surprising when a few owners resorted to bribing their pets with doggy treats in an effort to salvage any shred of hope of finishing the course. Needless to say, their pets did not place in the basic obedience category. Organizers of the annual event were pleased with this year's attendance. Prizes were also awarded for Best Dog Handler, Best Long-Haired Island Dog, Best Short-Haired Island Dog, Best Large Mixed Breed, Best Terrier, and Best Toy. What a way to celebrate 35 years of canine showmanship in the territory.